Want to learn how to create animations like this in just a few minutes? I'll show you how to have impressive results with Blender, quickly. Select the cube. Shift+A, add sphere. Right-click, shade smooth. Shift+A and add plane. Press S to make it bigger. Press G and Z, move on the Z-axis, align it to point 0. Select the plane. Go to Physics, add collision. And cloth. Make sure to enable self-collisions in the collision settings. Click on the sphere and add collision. Press play. Now, let's try to refine it. Go to Edit Mode, add subdivision. Press play. Let's add more detail to improve the cloth simulation. Go to Edit Mode, select the plane, and apply Subdivide to increase the geometry. Switch to Object Mode and press play again to see the difference. The cloth is softer, but we still notice some stiffness. To fix this, go to the Modifiers panel and add a Subdivision Surface modifier. Right-click and select Shade Smooth for a cleaner look. Let's see the result. Now the cloth moves naturally and looks perfect. If you want even more realism, try increasing the cloth quality steps in the physics settings. Hope you found this helpful.